At this hour, there are still thousands of homes and businesses without power. WBZ's Tammy Mutasa shows us how the wind and ice have been a dangerous combination.
Tonight, it is brutal out here. Ice has been a problem everywhere, in parking lots, while people are driving, and especially on sidewalks. I have to walk on the snow so I don't fall over on this sheet of ice. Fighting against the ice takes some muscle.
Had to skip work today because I couldn't get my car out of the ice.
Casey and his girlfriend hope to dig his car out of an icy pile of snow along Commonwealth Avenue. Hey, that's a nice girlfriend.
Oh, dude, you're telling me? Yeah.
He borrowed some shovels from a kind neighbor.
I didn't think it was going to be this icy.
Tree through a house. Everybody's reportedly out of the building.
In North Andover, an ice-covered tree toppled onto a home, snapping in half and landing on a car, too. And high above towering trees in Sterling, heavy ice-laden limbs plus wind forced a tree to graze this home, poking through a grandson's bedroom.
One of the limbs on the tree came through the roof and through the ceiling in his room.
Mill Party stated that his windshield smashed after ice hit it. He has glass in his face and he's bleeding from the face as well.
Ice setting drivers back on the highway too. In Sterling, big chunks of ice flew off a car, smashing 2 windshields and hurting the drivers. And is this a sidewalk or an ice skating rink? You'd never know on some of the city streets still iced over. In Brighton, walkers avoided their icy paths while bracing against bitter temps to prevent from falling.
I've slipped. I haven't fallen yet.
With all the elements, some are snow over tiptoeing through winter. Others don't mind the dance for a little while longer.
I'm not really one to rush time, so I don't wish that it was spring yet. I'm happy where I am.
What? Why?
Because life just goes too fast.
Boston city officials say it is the property owner's job to clear off ice, snow, and sleet from sidewalks. And if they don't, well, they could be fined. In Boston, Tammy Mutasa, WBZ News.